Hey guys, welcome back. It's your Sunny Trainer Sydney, and today I have a 5-minute jump rope workout for beginners. We're gonna be going back and forth between regular jump roping and some beginner body weight exercises. So let's get started. We're gonna have 20 seconds of work to 10 seconds of rest. So this is a classic HIIT workout. Really gonna get that heart rate going today and work lots of muscles. So let's get started. Ready? Let's go. Our first 20-second interval is just 20 seconds of regular jumping. Nice and easy. As you're doing your jump rope, don't worry about jumping too high, just a small little jump. Enough for the rope to clear. And rest. Woo! 10-second rest. Soak it in. Our next exercise, we're gonna be doing air squats. So put that jump rope down and let's get started. We have 20 seconds. All the way down to 90 degrees and squeeze those glutes at the top. Great job. 5 more seconds. And rest. Grab your jump rope. We're gonna get back into regular jump roping for our next interval. Ready? Let's go. I was gonna say, if you mess up on your jumps, don't worry about it. It's totally normal, and it's likely gonna happen to me during this video. This is a great way to get used to jump roping for longer periods of time. And rest. 10-second rest. Great work. Our next exercise, we're gonna be down on the mat. We're gonna be doing shoulder taps. So come down in a plank position and let's get started. We're rocking from side to side to tap that shoulder with our hands. Keep breathing. And 3, 2, 1, and rest. You guys are doing awesome. We're almost halfway done. Ready? Let's get started with jump roping. In 3, 2, 1, let's go. Great work. Keep those elbows tucked in at your sides and just really flicking the wrist to get that jump rope up and over. And rest. Good job. Our next exercise is back lunges. Ready? Let's go. Keep that front knee behind the front toe. Tracking nice and easy. And 3, 2, 1, and rest. Shake it out. Great work. Pick up that jump rope. And 3, 2, 1. We are back to jump roping. Keep breathing. You've got it. Keep those shoulder blades nice and tight in the back. You should be pinching those shoulder blades together. So nice upright posture. And rest. Great job. All right, our next exercise is jumping jacks. Just standard jumping jacks. Nice and wide with those arms. You guys are doing great. How are we feeling? And rest. If you're already getting tired, don't worry, we only have a few more intervals left. You guys are doing great, we're almost there. Grab that jump rope. Let's get going. 20 seconds. Remember your core as you're jumping. Your core should be nice and tight. And rest. Woo! Great work. Okay, back down to our mat. We're gonna do mountain climbers. Ready? Let's go. 10 more seconds. And 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Woo! Great work, you guys. All right, so that was our entire workout. If you've done this workout before, I challenge you to do it 2 or 3 times in total to really get more of a challenge. But if you're new here, great job today. Thank you so much for joining me. We'll see you guys next time.